Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we will discuss about the previous year papers of Pgdast. So we are providing for Pgdast solve papers and we are the Encyclohub. If you need the previous year solve papers, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number and you have to just message us on our WhatsApp number. You can just call also if you need this, and if you are looking for assignments or other any help, so you can also message us. You can tell us about your problems or your queries, so we will solve the problems accordingly. And this is the Encyclohub which provide all the solutions of the study. And thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please DM us. If you have any other questions, you can message on the comment section also. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.